Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, dear viewers. So those who are new, please do subscribe if you when you like this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an instant coconut milk for your quick and easy cooking. So let's get into the show. In this video, we are going to see how to make an instant coconut milk, a cream, and I'm going to show you the cream, and I'm going to show you the milk. So, and I'll just because I need the cream today, and I'll be giving you just the verbal of how to make the milk. So to start off with, I need a packet of the coconut milk powder, some warm water or hot water, and I have a whisk and I have a basin. So to start off with, I need to put the coconut milk powder into the basin. And we'll add the water gradually. So we whisk this as lump free. And I'm going to add more water. And this is my coconut cream, or the first milk of the coconut. If you want a second milk, so you add a second cup of water and just whip it up. And dear viewers, this is the end product of the coconut milk. So I'm just showing you for the video. So do try it out and share it with your friends, which is so simple to be made. And you don't have to, like with your ancient way of getting a coconut, chopping them into half and grating them, then you mix it and you get the milk and all, and so this is the easy way. So I hope you do try it in your kitchen. And it's very useful for any kind of cooking. Like I'll be showing you what I can do with the coconut and this coconut milk in my next videos. So till then, see you. Do like my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.